From biting, hitting, yelling, pushing, not sleeping, and being nearly impossible to be around. We were done. We literally had tried everything we knew of, but nothing got through to our son. Nothing changed the insaneness of his attitude toward everyone. Oh, did I mention he never wanted to leave the house? We literally couldn't do anything as a family. So when COVID-19 hit and we were in full-blown quarantine mode, then our son was happy. Of course, not happy enough to end the biting, hitting, yelling, pushing, not sleeping, and overall aggressive nature. Just happy that we didn't have to leave. If you're watching this and your family dynamic is similar, just drop a yes down in the comments. I know we aren't alone, but I'm curious how many families are living this way. So what did we do? Well, finally, after a full year of trying, we were able to find an amazing ABA or applied behavior analysis therapist to come over to our house full time. What happened next was a miracle. Our son's behavior started decreasing. At first, progress seemed slow, but then we started to realize he wasn't acting out as much. We couldn't remember the last time he actually bit us, and, well, he listened to what we wanted without going off the deep end. Well, at least sometimes. The truth is, a lot more progress had happened than we actually realized. It's like living with someone who's overweight, working out, and actually getting into shape. You don't really recognize just how much progress they've made because you see them every day. But then you see an older picture and whoa, a lot of progress has been made. The same was true for our son. We were obviously around him all the time, so we didn't notice the full spectrum of the progress he's made. However, when people that hadn't seen him in a while came around and commented just how far he'd come, we realized they were right. So what changed? How does ABA actually help a child whose behaviors are out of control? We've had the great fortune of meeting with our BCBA or Board Certified Behavior Analyst assigned to our son's case. She is the one that oversees the progress and works to train the incredible therapist that comes to our home. In the very first meeting we had with her, she began to teach us the basics of behavior and how it's effectively altered. This is done because eventually the therapist won't be coming to our house anymore. We will need to handle it on our own and continue working with our son to ensure the crap stays away from the fan. The first step is understanding what behavior is, followed by identifying one of the 4 different functions associated with behavior. So what the heck did I just say? Yeah, that was my first reaction too. Behavior is anything a living organism does. In other words, if a dead person can do it, then it's not behavior. As living beings, we are always trying to get our needs met. In children or anyone struggling with unwanted behaviors, we keep doing them because they're working. To understand how they're working, we must introduce a term called the function of the behavior. There are 4 main functions of all behavior. Number 1, attention seeking. Simply gaining attention, whether it's good or bad. Number 2 is escape or avoidance, getting out of an unwanted activity like cleaning up. Number 3, tangible items, wanting access to a physical object. Number 4, sensory seeking or automatic reinforcements, doing things because they feel good. Okay, so these seem easy enough. Here are a couple of examples. See if you can answer what functions they are. The first one, my son is calmly playing with his Legos on the floor in the living room by himself. He suddenly stands up, walks over to his sister, and smacks her clear across the face. She starts crying. My wife and I rush in to defuse the situation. What function just took place there? If you answered attention seeking, you're right. Remember, to kids, attention is attention. It doesn't matter if it's good or bad. Let's try another. Little Sally is in kindergarten. This is, of course, pre-COVID-19. Every morning to start the day, her class has circle time. Every day, Sally throws a temper tantrum as soon as circle time starts and ends up becoming aggressive. What function does her behavior represent? If you answered escape or avoidance, you're right. All little Sally wants is to get out of circle time. She's trying to avoid this daily event. Here's my challenge to you. For the next week, look at your child's behaviors, understand what the function of each behavior is, and write it down. In the next video, we will be discussing how to replace unwanted behaviors with alternative behaviors. The world of ABA is truly fascinating, and it freaking works. Until next time, thank you for watching the 4 functions of behavior. We'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Please take a moment, give us a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. If there's a specific topic you're interested in, please leave a comment. Until then, enjoy these other videos designed to help parents navigate the crazy world of special education. Thank you.